because now I have 200 packages to pack. I'm ready. I just showered, put some makeup on, and now I'm gonna make myself a coffee and then prep the rest of my apartment. I'm gonna do the leftover patterns. I'm gonna figure out like the stations, how we're going to pack, and if I maybe am going to print the orders, like the papers, like for every order. I'm still not sure. I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna bake, and then the girls will arrive in 3 hours. So I have enough time, but also I should hurry a bit. So yeah, watch me prep the apartment and watch us pack the orders, I guess. Oh my gosh, I think I just got the best order of my life. Ah, new coffee beans. Okay guys, fun fact about the coffee brand. It's from a German girl and she has her own coffee brand. And I never heard of it before and I never tasted it before. And then, I think it was 2 vlogs ago, I was at the bagel shop. I don't know if you remember. And after that I picked up a coffee and I also filmed it because it was in this cute cup which said, I think like something like, even if it's just for leaving the house, good coffee, something like that. And they had, I think it was this blend. It was the first time ever in my life that I took a picture of the coffee roast brand and the coffee roast that the cafe had, because I loved it so much. So we don't need to do a taste test because I can already tell you this one is so good. And I'm so excited to try the other ones. Like, look at the cute packaging. I can't. Oh, my coffee heart is screaming. We got chestnut dark chocolate. Oh, dark chocolate and black cherry. That could be interesting too. Then we have sweet chocolate toasted nuts and this Swiss chocolate one that I already know. They actually all sound amazing. I'm just a sucker for packaging, I'm honest. So, time for coffee. I want to try this one first. The chestnut dark chocolate maple. Oh my gosh. Ah, the smell of fresh coffee beans. The packaging is so high quality. I love it. Now that looks creamy. Oh, I love it. Wow, chef's kiss. Oh, this is amazing. This tastes really chocolatey. Or am I like tripping? Oh, I love this. I could drink this in like one sip. I'm in heaven. Sorry to say, I'm in heaven. Oh, I think I found my new favorite coffee brand. This is so good. Let's bake. Guys, sometimes I read your DMs and I could just cry. I just got a message from like a girl, and her package arrived, and she just gave me compliments about how happy she's with the quality, also with the crochet bag, and that she was surprised how like high quality everything is. And I'm just like, that's what I want, you know? And that people notice is like, I don't know, just makes me happy that, you know, it's like, I want this to be special. And reading this, it just, my heart, guys. Other than that, look at this. This is 200 packages that we just packed. Hours long. I had help of 5 amazing cute girlies that also helped me like the last times, and it took so long. Let me show you. All of these back there and here are all orders. And I think right now I realize how much this is. The post girlies are gonna kill me, like the post office people. They're gonna be like, what? You want these to be taken? Well, anyway, so we packed all the orders, but I still have to label all of them and print the shipping labels. And that's gonna be my job tomorrow. So I think I might, first of all, eat something, because it was a lot, guys. I was running there and there. This was so much more work than expected, and my back hurts so bad. I definitely need to book a yoga class for tomorrow morning, because I swear I want to sit like this, because otherwise it hurts so much. If I do this, it's like, oh. And like, for real, I got so much help from the girls. That's like surreal. They did so amazing. And there's only like, I think 3 packages that I have to do like now. And then for tomorrow I will, you know, tape all of them, print the shipping labels, pack the shipping labels on top, and send them off. And I have to pre-order, or like let the post office know that I want packages to be picked up tomorrow, because you can actually in Germany get packages if you have this amount picked up if you have like a business account kind of. And I tried this today, like in the morning, but I somehow only could select 10 packages. But I think I got some more than 10 to pick up. Maybe I will do 10 and see how much they will take tomorrow. I mean, last time I also brought some like myself with like bags to the post office, but I cannot do that with 200 because I think they will also kill me there. So I will eat something now before I start to cry. No. Also, guys, this is what everything looks like here. Just so you know. I also have to clean and do the dishes. And what I wanted to say, we were 4 girls, we were 6 girls, including me. And I think they were pretty happy with the, you know, looks good. I got many compliments, but I could have done these like with more sugar. I think they were not sweet enough, in my opinion. Next time I will do more filling. Just taped all of these. It doesn't even look that much compared to this that I still have to do. Good morning. 7 a.m. and I'm having a very small breakfast. Then going to yoga class. honestly speechless, guys. I don't know how to end this vlog because I don't want to cry. But I just want to tell you thank you, because with every like and with every comment and every DM, all your nice words through all my social media platforms, you motivate me and give me a reason to do all of this, to start something on my own, even though 60% of the time I'm fucking scared, because this means lots of investment, lots of space to maybe fail, and lots of people who tell me that what I'm doing is not, not the right way, not the usual business that you would start as a safe call, because a lot of people like it. It's very like, who wants to start a yarn brand? Because most of the people tell me, but is there enough need for that? And this shows me that there are people who love my brand and love my idea and who want to support my little dream world, and I can't wait to celebrate with you. I have a crochet club planned at the end of the month in Berlin, and I would love for you to join, so like please check out my social media if you want to be part of it. I want to see you, I want to give you something back, and I just hope that I can inspire you to do whatever you want to do, no matter what people tell you, and to just try. And maybe it will work out. And I think this is a sign for me that I don't have to be this scared of trying, because I have you, and you're a part of my so lovely community, and I'm so happy that I get to share all of this with you and that you're part of it. And I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like, I know these words are not enough to like tell everything that is inside my heart, but I hope you know and you feel it, that I'm very thankful that you're here with me and that all of this happens just because of you guys. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in Berlin or in the next video. And if you want to support, make sure to share some love everywhere, and thank you for being here.